Hello, today we're gonna make a little upgrade on this brand new Dell laptop. The model is Dell Inspiron 3582. Basically the procedure is the same like 3581, but since I gotta do it I decided to make a quick video. First thing, of course, we're gonna take the optical drive out. Now we have to remove the screws because the whole bottom cover should come off. The screws should be the same size except the ones which are under the optical drive, so you shouldn't be worried. Now we're gonna flip the laptop around and start separating the both plastics. You can use a guitar pick or whatever you have. I'm using sharp metal plate. Now this laptop comes with a i3 processor and it supports NVMe SSD, because in a lot of my videos people are asking me what type of SSD I'm using. So I'm gonna show you the model. I'm gonna post a link with the model. It's hard to work with gloves, but with the coronavirus now I have to work with gloves. Sorry, you can't see. Like this. Just separate one end and the plastic should be easy to remove. Now on the battery side, forgot a screw, sorry. Now the laptop is open. First thing before doing anything on the laptop is to unplug the battery. In some of my videos I forgot, so this is the first thing you gotta do now. Now this laptop have a i3 processor with integrated GPU, Intel HD card. It have 4 gigabytes of RAM memory and have only one slot. Some of the models have 2 slots, but this particular model have 1 slot. You have a 2.5-inch regular hard drive here, and we're gonna install the SSD hard drive right here. The laptop supports NVMe SSD, which is class 40. So basically we want to install that. In this particular model I'm going to use ADATA SX6000. This is pretty decent SSD. I hope the camera can focus. It's not very expensive and it comes with a very good warranty. So whatever you have in your area you can use. Particularly I use ADATA SSDs, also Kingston A2000, Transcend SSDs, and whatever you can find on the market and suit your budget. Now the laptop have a screw here, so you're gonna use that screw. In some of my videos people are asking me what type of the screw is it. It's a standard M2 size screw. I'm gonna post a link I think to the particular size. And basically the only thing we gotta do of course is just to plug the SSD gently. Let's just see. It's a good idea here to push a little bit the aluminum foil, because depend on the design of the SSD it can short some of the components here, so just be careful with that foil here. Like that. The only thing right now, always check the hinges, the screws of the hinges, because with the time they are getting loose. This is a brand new laptop, but just in case, to be sure. Now the only thing we gotta do is just to plug back the battery. Like that. And put the bottom cover of course. I'm always starting to reassemble from the HDMI ports and the USBs on the right side, because they are much harder to get in. So just align by the ports here, and after that push the rest.